Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to create images with ChatGPT. You can easily turn your text prompt into stunning visuals in ChatGPT, so let's get started. First of all, launch open the ChatGPT application on your device, or you may also go to chat.openai.com and log in. Once you're logged into your ChatGPT account, go ahead and look for the search box at the bottom of the screen where it says Ask Anything. Go to the text box at the bottom and then write down your image idea as a prompt. After typing down the prompt in this manner, you can then tap on the arrow button facing upwards right next to the text box and wait for the image to be created. You can also add details to your request. Try to be more descriptive for your prompt and it will be presented in a better way. After waiting for a couple of minutes, ChatGPT will generate your image. You can also ask ChatGPT to remind you whenever it's done with the image processing. To do so, tap on Enable Notifications, click on Allow in the pop-up box at the bottom, and soon after you do that, you'll be reminded when it is done. And there you go, your image has now been created. If the image doesn't match your expectations, you can rephrase or refine the prompts again. You can also request variations until you get the perfect result, and that's how you can easily generate images on ChatGPT. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.